RUM stock analysis and price predictions for Monday 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. I am the only guy in this page with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, so I have seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially with RUM, it's in my demand zone. So how all this is going to look like is, I'll just get rid of the previous stuff that's all just freaking in the way. And I'm ready to pull the trigger on this. I mean, the first sign that this wanted to freaking pick up is this one break. And now, pre-market is higher. Bro, this is so good. The one thing that I hope I see is just a double break taking place. So, for me, this will look a little like this. If I see 2-hour breaks above this point, this is about to be written in the books. But notice how I'm just not going to assume. I'll wait for whatever the price is going to give me. So, that's how it's looking like for me. All I'm doing in the meantime is just I'm waiting for rules to be met here, you know, and that's exactly how it's going to look like. So this is the 2-hour chart. That's how it's looking like for me. Probably going to happen over a couple of days. I'm not just saying that it's going to happen exactly Monday. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description and we'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.